eyeliner can change your eyes. 24 pounds versus 14 pounds blush. Juvia's Place Blushed Rouge Volume 2. 2 shades for only 14 pounds and insane pigment. Blends like a dream.
gatito tuyo te perdió por negligencia y yo que no creo en la abstinencia esta noche en la cama.
This is my new favorite powder foundation. I use a slightly damp beauty blender and gently press into my skin. My skin looks airbrushed. This powder adds a lot of coverage, but it's not cakey. Using lighter shade to highlight.
I've got you. Here's the lip combo. Let's apply it. To line my lips, I actually used a lipstick, and this is the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick in shade Masquerade. You can either go straight in and line your lips with a lipstick, but I like to use a brush. This brush actually is from Michaels. It's an art brush. A little tip. Okay, then I just line my lips. Ooh, let me not talk. I'm sure you can find a lip pencil the same shade, but for some reason I like to make my life a little bit more difficult. Okay, and then I blend it in a little bit to give it an ombre effect. Okay, now let's apply the YSL Couture Velvet Cream Lipstick. And this is in shade Antisocial Prune, which is very fitting. And here they are together. The perfect fall lip.